welcome. This video is rather spontaneous, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm currently in the process of planning and organizing a live language course for beginners. I haven't thought about all the details yet, but if you're interested in joining, I do have a couple of ideas of how it's going to work, so hear me out. The course is probably going to be in the form of a monthly subscription, and we'll meet once a week for 60 minutes, so for an hour. The platform we're going to meet on is probably going to be Zoom, and I was thinking to design this subscription as a Patreon tier. As you guys know, I joined Patreon a couple of months ago, and at the moment I have 3 tiers that you guys can choose from in case you want some extra learning materials that accompany my videos, or if you just want to have a little bit more insight into my work. But I'm also thinking of creating a new tier that is especially designed for this live course, and everyone who's already a patron will be able to just switch to the other tier if they want to. It's going to be an ongoing course, and we'll start with the basics. But let's say if you're not a complete beginner and you'd like to skip the first month or a couple of months and just join the class a bit later in the future, I'm going to keep you guys updated on my Patreon page with the lessons we're at. Wow, the topics we're discussing, the exercises we're doing, and so on. So you can just go to my Patreon page and see where we're at. And the other way around, if you join the course and you don't like it, or if it's not the right thing for you, you can just cancel your subscription anytime you want. Now, one of the aspects that I think is a huge issue is my own schedule, because my available hours for conducting this course are during weekday mornings. That is Germany's time, so GMT +1 or UTC +1. And I understand that this schedule will not suit everyone, but if by any chance this aligns with your availability, please let me know. On my Patreon page, I created a poll where you can vote for your preferred day. So from Monday to Friday, if you're available on more than one day, you can vote for more options. And if there's any specific time frame that suits you best, please let me know in the comments. That would help me tremendously in organizing the whole thing. Anyway, I know everything is still quite vague, and I can't offer you all the details yet, but these are kind of the main points that I just have to define a little bit better. So if you think this is something for you, you would like to join this live course for beginners, please let me know by voting on my Patreon page for your preferred day. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. If there's anything you'd like to ask about this live course, please let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you next time. Be happy!